Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do these Disney Tsum Tsum inspired nails using builder gel and some nail forms. It's a very beginner friendly and easy to do. It doesn't require any nail drill. So if you want to learn how to do so, just keep on watching. So what we're going to use to do our nails is a builder gel. This is the IBD builder gel I got from Sally's Beauty. I'm going to be using some nail forms. I got these from AliExpress. I'm also going to be using some Tsum Tsum stickers to decorate my nails and a skinny brush to apply the gel. So as always, the first step to nail extensions is to prep your nails. I'm first going to be filing down my nails and then filing the surface of my nails to remove any shine. If you watched any of my nail videos, you've probably seen these steps a couple of times already, so I'm going to be fast forwarding it. After we file all our nails, I'm just going to be applying a dehydrator onto all of our nails so that our nails can last longer. Once the nails are all prepped, it's time to apply the base coat. I'm just going to paint a thin layer on my nails and then cure them. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be using nail forms to create these nails. So what I like to do is take the nail form off and fold them in half, just so I have the shape. Once the form is folded in half, I'm going to tear the middle and apply it to my nail. To apply the form to your nail, you're going to just want to make sure the middle of your nail is lined up to the middle of the form. And you're also going to want to make sure there is no gaps between. So make sure your nail is laying on top of the form just like so. Once the form is on, it's time to build our nails. I'm going to take my brush and dip it into the gel and pick up a small amount. So this is about how much gel I picked up, and then we're going to apply it to our nails. So what I like to do is to create 2 layers of gel. So the first layer, I'm going to create the shape of the nail that I want. I'm going to be focusing on where my natural nail is and building the shape out. It doesn't have to be perfect because I will show you later. We are going to cure the nails like this, and then we're going to file it before we add another layer of gel. So once I have a general shape that I like, I'm going to fill in the rest of my nail. So I'm going to bring the gel down from the tip of my nail all the way down to my nail bed. So this is how the gel looks like applied to my nail. As you can see, it's not perfect, but that's okay, we're going to fix it. So before I cure my nails, I'm going to turn my nails upside down for a couple of seconds to make sure we get a nice apex and it smoothens out the gel. After the gel is cured, we can remove the form. So this is what the nail looks like after the form is removed. You can see all the little imperfections. We're going to fix that, but before we do, we're going to need to wipe off all the stickiness with some alcohol. So once our nail is clean, I'm going to clip off all of these extra gel on the sides. And once we clip off all the extra gel, I'm going to take a nail file and file the nail down to the shape that I want it to be. So I went for a round shape this time, and this is what the nail looks like. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply the nail form on again and apply my second layer of gel. So this time when I'm applying the gel, I'm going to focus on building the thickness and the apex of the nail. So I just applied the gel and cured it, and this is what the nail looks like. I'm just going to wipe it again with alcohol to remove any stickiness. So now I'm just going to repeat those same steps and finish building the rest of my nails. are all built, I'm going to do one last filing just to get the shape perfect to how I want it to be. And then not only am I going to file the edges of my nail, I'm also going to be filing the surface of the nail. This is just to even out any bumps and lumps, and it will also ensure that the gel polish will adhere to the nail later on.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you?
So this is what the nails are looking like after application and all the filing. It is now time for the fun part. It's time to decorate my nails. I'm going to be doing a Donald and Daisy Duck inspired nail, and I'm going to be doing each hand a different color. I'm going to be doing one pink and one blue. So let's just get started. So I'm using gel polish for this design, and I'm using the same brush that I used to build the gel to draw the design on. So the design I'm doing is a half heart French tip type of design. I'm just going to take the brush and draw on the heart as best as I can. And because this is a gel polish, if you make any mistakes, feel free to just wipe it off and start over. And because this is gel polish, sometimes it doesn't cure all the way through. I like to do 2 layers of my design, so I'm going to paint a thin layer, cure it, and then I'm going to apply a second layer to the nails. After all the hearts are drawn on, I'm going to take a small skinny brush and some white gel polish to outline the hearts. I also took this opportunity to use the white polish to fix up any mistakes I made, so if the heart was imperfect, the white polish can hide that. And not only am I going to be outlining the heart, I'm going to add a little loop detail at the center of the heart.
Touch you like I do. Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do?
Once I'm done with all the hearts and the detailing, I'm going to be working on this ombre to clear glitter nail. So to do this, I'm going to be applying thin layers of the pink first. This is just to make sure the polish cures all the way through. So once I have one layer on, I'm going to cure it, and then I'm going to apply my second layer. So once that is done, I'm going to take some builder gel and apply it to the tips of my nails. And then this is what I'm going to use to adhere the glitter on. I'm just going to apply the glitter right on top of all of the polish. And this is what the ombre nail looks like. So now I'm going to be working on my last nail, which is going to be the nail with the Tsum Tsum on it. I'm just going to apply a light pink gel polish on, and then apply the nail sticker. I recommend you use a tweezer because I did rip the sticker once trying to use my fingers. So I'm going to take it with the tweezer and simply just place it on top of the nail. Then I'm going to adjust the sticker just to make sure it's exactly where I want it, and then I'm going to cure the nail after. So this is how the nail looks. I'm just going to apply a top coat and then I'll be done with this hand. And now that I'm done with the pink side of the hand, I'm going to do the exact same thing for my other hand, but with a light blue color. This is going to be the Donald Duck side.
Touch you like I do. Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight.
So this is how the nails turned out. If you enjoyed watching the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!